What's going on, everyone? Welcome to part 2 of going beyond making a pie chart. Last time we went through the first 6 or 5 tabs. Now we're on tab 6. So let's not waste any time. Let's just get into it. You made a pie chart. Last time we did. We made a nice blue one. Woohoo! And that's great, but we can make it even better. One way to do that is to directly label the slices using data labels. Read how to do this under Try This below. Thank you. Alright, try this. Right-click any slice and choose Add Data Labels. Now you can see the exact values for each slice. So right-click, Add Data Labels. Yep, and that's obviously super useful. You saw that in the last video that they had it. And you can actually drag it, and you notice how no matter where you put it, there's actually a line that kind of sticks to it for you. So that makes that even more clear. Oops. That's also a trick too. I don't know if they're going to cover that. Did Control Z just undo that? But I was just trying to move the labels so that they're, in my opinion, this is easier to see. Let's make it better again. Data labels can show values as shown below, but they can also show each category. Give it a shot yourself by following the steps below. Right-click a slice and choose Format Data Labels. In the pane that appears, select the category name checkbox. There it is. And below that, set the separator to new line. Oh, okay, so right here. And new line. Okay, hit enter just in case. Now right-click the legend and delete it. Oh, yeah, you could either just select it and also press the delete key on your keyboard as well. Cool. And then, yeah, like I said, you can just drag it, and I think that looks better. Oops. Data labels can also show percentages. This is handy when you already know the total and you just need the percentage for each slice. Try it for yourself. So again, we go ahead and right-click, Format Data Labels, and percentage. And then since it looks like it's going to, yes, I was just going to say, it looks like it's going to be a bit much, so it's going to take out the value, and that takes away the dollar amounts there. Here's a tip. Use color to emphasize and de-emphasize slices. This is useful when a chart is on a PowerPoint slide and you need the audience to focus on one of the slices. That is a handy tip. Practice using color to emphasize and de-emphasize slices. Right-click one of the slices below and choose Format Data Series. I think you guys are seeing a trend here. Then in the Format Data Series pane, I think it was already open, right? Click Fill icon, so that's this. In the Format Data Series pane, under the Fill, choose a gray color. Cool, let's make it gray. Look at that. Now select a slice. To do this, click an empty area of the slice, but don't select a data label. You'll know when you selected a slice. If you just click it twice, that was a little confusing. So the first time you click it, it's going to select all. Just click the slice again, and it'll only highlight the one. Right-click the selected slice and choose Format Data Point. In the Format Data Point pane, click the Fill icon, and then change the color. So like the other example, it was like yellow. Oh, orange, whatever. So yeah, that is a handy trick. Here's another tip. Consider creating a donut chart. Why? Some people find the arcs of a donut easier to compare than the slices of a pie chart. Okay, and the way you would do that is if you select, say you already have one made, change chart type, and you see actually it's already one of the options up here, so this one would be ta-da. Practice making. You know what? I might just save this for next. I just showed you guys how to make the donut, but I will just go ahead and save this for next time. So that was the end of part 2. I will hopefully, I don't know, maybe 4. We'll see how long it takes. But definitely at least one more video. So thanks you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys are enjoying this, and I will see you next time.